Namaskar everyone. My name is Antriksh Sharma and welcome back to our channel Antriksh and Triyambak. So welcome back to our studio, and today in our studio we have with us junior scientist Triyambak Sharma to explain about our body systems.
My name is Triyambak Sharma. We all know the cell is the smallest part of our body, and it is also called the building block of our body. And many cells are combined, they make a tissue. When many tissues are combined, they make organs. Many organs when combined, they make organ system. And many organ system when combined, they make an organism. We all know this because I will tell you about this in our previous videos. So, and I have also tell you about some organ systems which are respiratory system and the digestive system. So, in this video, we will learn about all of them which are present in our body. So, let's go and take a tour of our body.
So as junior scientist Triyambak Sharma told us about the formation of our body and about the organ systems, so we all know that there are 8 body systems, and from which the first one is the respiratory system. So here we have our respiratory system, and I would like to ask you, tell us about that what are the main organs in our respiratory system which helps it to function.
The main organs in our respiratory system which help us to function are the lungs, the windpipe and the nose.
So we have already known that what are the organs which are playing a main role in respiratory system. So how does the respiratory system works?
Respiratory system works when we inhale the air, it goes through the windpipe and come in the lungs. So, in the lungs, the air is separated into 2 parts, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, the oxygen is produced through the heart and the oxygen come in the blood and take a circulation of our body with blood, and the carbon dioxide which is separated again goes through the windpipe and come through the nose and we inhale.
So we have seen how does the respiratory system works and what are the main organ in our respiratory system. So let's move on to the another body system which is circulatory system. So I would like to ask that what are the organs which helps the circulatory system to operate?
The main organs in which helps the circulatory system to operate are heart, arteries and veins.
So would you like to tell us that what are the circulatory system are working for our body?
The circulatory system is working for our body to pump the blood and circulate it around our body. So, when the oxygen is given to the heart, some carbon dioxide also comes with it. So, heart separates the blood, waste blood which has carbon dioxide mixed, and take out the carbon dioxide from it and produce through the lungs, and we inhale also like that carbon dioxide, and the blood which is waste, which is carbon dioxide, is take outed. So the heart produce oxygen in it, and it also circulates in our body.
So we have seen that the respiratory system and the circulatory systems are connected to each other, and also seen that what the heart plays a function in both the system. So let's start with another system in our body which is digestive system. So digestive system is also told by Triyambak Sharma in previous videos. So junior scientist Triyambak Sharma, would you like to tell which helps it to operate.
The organs which are present in the digestive system which helps to operate is mouth, food pipe, the stomach, and the small intestine, and large intestine, rectum, and ants.
So this means there are lots of organs present in the digestive system. I think I'm right.
Yeah.
So how does the digestive system operate in our body and what's the role of it?
The digestive system's role in our body is to digest our food which we eat. When we eat, it goes through the mouth, and in mouth it is crushed. It becomes in crust form. From the mouth, it goes through a pipe which is food pipe and comes in our stomach. And in stomach, it is formed in liquid paste, and from the stomach, it goes through the small intestine. And in small intestine, the food is completely digested. The food is absorbed by the small intestine and produced to our whole body, and the body waste goes through the large intestine and come in the rectum and then come out from the ends.
So we have already seen 3 body systems in our body. So now let's move on to the 4th body system, which we have as excretory system. So in our excretory system, there are 2 main organs, kidney and uretra. So can you tell the main functions of it?
The main functions of kidney and uretra is the kidney separates the waste liquid and the clean liquid in our body, and the clean liquid is produced to our body by the kidneys, and the liquid waste is passed through a pipe and come in the uretra. When uretra is full, the urine, which is the body waste, come out from the uretra.
Okay, so excretory system was short and sweet. Now let's move on to the another body system, which is the nervous system. So our nervous system plays a very important role. So can you tell what are the important functions produced with the nervous system?
The important organs which are produced in the nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord and also nerves.
So what are the functions of them?
The functions of brain is the brain tells the what to do and have all the feelings and sense. The spinal cord does not do anything, but it is a bunch of nerves, and nerves connect through it by taking messages what we have to do, and that is happening. So nerves go to the spinal cord or the bunch of nerves and send the message, and from the spinal cord
means muscular system plays a very important role as the skeleton system plays. Now let's come on to the last but not the least, the organ system, reproductive system.
The reproductive system. Reproductive system is a system from which we produce babies and they grow and again produce the babies from out. There is a chamber in which the baby is contained, and when the baby is full developed, it is take out with an operation and the baby comes out. And the thing that we have made is the man and the woman's reproductive system are different.
Oh, this means we both have different reproductive system. And also, we all are present here because of the reproductive system. If there was no reproductive system, we